Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss about operations on matrices. Now first we discuss addition of matrices. If A is equal to Aij and B equal to Bij or two matrices of same order, that is M by N, then the sum of the two matrices is defined as a matrix C equal to Cij of order M by N, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij for possible values of I and j. Dear students, it must be clear that the sum of two matrices of order M by N is also a matrix of order M by N. The result can be extended to the sum of any number of matrices provided they are of same order. Thus, matrix Aij of order M by N plus matrix Bij of order M by N plus and so on plus Xij of order M by N is equal to a matrix Aij plus Bij plus and so on plus Xij of order M by N. Taking an example, if matrix A equal to having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and matrix B is equal to having elements 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, then dear students, here matrix A is of order 3 by 2 and matrix B is of order 2 by 3, then A plus B is not defined as A and B are of different order. Example 2. If A equal to having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and matrix B equal to having elements 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then A plus B is defined as A and B both are of order 2 by 3. So, A plus B equal to 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 1. Here we add the corresponding elements of matrices A and B, and this is equal to 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Dear students, from above we observe that the sum of two matrices having same order is a matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. Now we will discuss multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. If A equal to Aij of order M by N is a matrix and K is a scalar, then Ka is an other matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. In other words, Ka is equal to K Aij of order M by N and this is equal to k into aij, that is ijth element of ka is kaij for all possible values of I and j. Here taking an example, let a matrix A having elements 3, 1, 1.5, root 5, 7, minus 3, 2, 0, 5. Then 3A equal to 3 into matrix A having elements 3, 1, 1.5, root 5, 7, minus 3, 2, 0, 5, and this is equal to in matrix form 9, 3, 4.5, 3, root 5, 21, minus 9, 6, 0, 15. Means we multiply each element of matrix A by 3. Now we discuss negative of a matrix. The negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A. We define minus A equal to minus 1 into A. Taking an example, let a matrix A equal to having elements 3, 1, minus 5, x. Then minus A is given by minus A equal to minus 1 into A, and this is equal to minus 1 into a matrix A having elements 3, 1, minus 5, x, and this is equal to minus 3, minus 1, 5, minus x. Here we multiply each element of matrix A by minus 1. Now we discuss difference of matrices. If matrix A equal to aij and matrix B equal to bij, or two matrices of the same orders, that is m by n, then difference A minus B is defined as a matrix C equal to Cij, where Cij equal to Aij minus Bij for all values of I and j. In other words, we can say that C equal to A minus B, and this can be written as A plus minus B, that is A minus B is same as the sum of the matrix A and the matrix minus B. Taking an example here, if matrix A equal to having elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and matrix B equal to having elements 2, minus 1, 0, minus 5, 4, minus 3, then find A minus B. We have A minus B equal to matrix A having elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus matrix B having elements 2, minus 1, 0, minus 5, 4, minus 3. This is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus minus 2, 1, 0, 5, minus 4, 3. Dear students, A minus B can be written as A plus in bracket minus B. This means that first we multiply each element of matrix B by minus 1, then adding with the corresponding elements of matrix B. Therefore, we get 0 plus minus 2, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 5, 4 plus minus 4, 5 plus 3, and this is equal to 0 minus 2, 2, 2, 8, 4 minus 4, 8, and this is equal to minus 2, 2, 2, 8, 0, 8. Hence, A minus B equal to a matrix having elements minus 2, 2, 2, 8, 0, 8. Thank you.